Best healthy foods for dieting. Welcome to my channel. When it comes to dieting, it's important to focus on foods that are nutrient-dense, low in calories, and can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Here are some examples of healthy foods that can support your weight loss goals. Leafy green vegetables, foods like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and are low in calories. They can be great additions to salads, stir-fries, and soups. Lean protein sources, lean meats, such as chicken breast, turkey, fish, and tofu, can help you feel full and satisfied while providing important nutrients like protein, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Whole grains, foods like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are higher in fiber and other nutrients compared to refined grains, and can help keep you feeling fuller for longer. Legumes, beans, lentils, and chickpeas are high in fiber and protein, which can help keep you full and satisfied while providing important nutrients like iron and folate. Berries, berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are low in calories and high in fiber, antioxidants, and other important nutrients. They can be a great addition to your diet as a healthy and satisfying snack or dessert. Greek yogurt or low-fat dairy. Greek yogurt is high in protein and lower in sugar compared to regular yogurt, making it a good option for weight loss. Low-fat dairy products like skim milk or cottage cheese can also be good sources of protein while being relatively low in calories. Nuts and seeds. While nuts and seeds are high in calories, they are also packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, which can help keep you full and satisfied. Just be mindful of portion sizes to avoid consuming excessive calories. Non-starchy vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, bell peppers, and carrots are low in calories, high in fiber, and provide essential vitamins and minerals. They can be great options for adding volume to your meals without adding many calories. Remember, it's important to have a well-balanced diet that meets your individual nutritional needs and to practice portion control, even with healthy foods. Consulting with a registered dietitian or healthcare provider can provide personalized guidance and support for your specific dietary goals. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment below.